Well, I can't remember where I left off. I actually filmed day 3 and lost the footage. Something happened to the SD card. But I'm going to show you where I'm at. I think I've already showed you the hatch. I was able to get the roof fan in and the door, and you can see the door fits pretty snug. This is where the floor is, and then it's just right at the edge. There's not much room at the top. I'll go around and show you on the other side. From the inside, looking through the window, you can see how closely the door fits. There's the roof fan up there, and then the wires just kind of go right out the back into the galley area. And I'm going to have some trim up here that's going to cover everything. The fuse block is probably going to be like right in here somewhere. But basically, the only thing that's electronic is the fan and a couple lights. I did get my tail lights in yesterday. Here's what the tail lights look like. They're round. They're just going to go probably right in there. So I don't have too much to do today. I'm going to work on a few of the things. One more thing, I did get the roof rack on, and the way I did the roof rack, this is from the van, and I put some little hooks in here, that way I can tie stuff down. But that's pretty much where I'm at so far, and I'll keep you updated. Thanks for watching.